That was a bit of an adventure getting here. We had to get a tuk-tuk, and yeah, the fumes from the road and it was pretty bad, but we got here eventually. We're here at Sarova White Sands Beach Resort and Spa here in Mombasa. We're gonna have lunch. Tim's brother-in-law manages the whole hotel, so we'll pop in and say hi and get some food. Yeah, glad to be here. It looks beautiful. The gardens are great. The tuk-tuks, I definitely recommend a taxi or an Uber. The tuk-tuks, this is all the fumes from the road, but definitely get a taxi or an Uber. So we just had a quick bite to eat. It was absolutely beautiful. I didn't want to have the camera on the dinner table, and so I thought I'd shut it off and just enjoy some lunch. We're just going for a bit of a stroll on the beach. Then we're going to head back to our hotel. Yeah, we've had a great day here. The beach looks bloody awesome. The water looks great. I mean, have a look at this place. This is paradise. You ready to leave?
No.
Alright, that is it. Our Swahili beach resort here in Diani Beach is officially over. We just checked out, fixed up everything we needed to fix up. We're just waiting for the driver to come pick us up, take us to the airport. Then we fly to Nairobi, which is about an hour flight. The stay here seriously has been amazing. This is probably one of the best hotels I've ever stayed in. Just the way it's laid out, the staff, the pools, everything has been awesome, the service. Yeah, really happy with this place. It's really wow factor hotel. So really enjoyed the stay. Off to Nairobi for 2 more nights, then we're back to Australia. Back home, back to reality, back to work. And that's where I'll be editing all my footage and all the videos for our Kenya trip. We just got some last minute sun just before. So I'm mega hot. I got a little bit of colour, which is good, because I was pasty white before. She's still white. I've got more colour than her. Yes. But yeah, so en route to Nairobi. Tim's in holiday mode. Look, he's got his nice pink shirt and his cream pants. Tim? Good morning everyone, welcome to Nairobi, Kenya. We are here on our official last day. Tomorrow morning we fly out very early, so that's it for our trip. Yesterday after we flew into Nairobi, we just went to Tim's brother's house and chilled out after travelling. Today we're just going to check out the city and possibly get a haircut, because it's just a bit out of control. Tim's going to have a full shave, wax his whole body. Is that right, Tim?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to Tim's friend's hair salon, get a haircut, and then head off to the...
Gonna have a Kenya style hair.
Yeah, you're gonna check it out.
Nah, I'll just get a trim.
Yeah.
I was gonna shave it, but I think I'll just get a trim.
He changed his mind. He's not gonna shave it.
But
Get them to do what I want.
no.
Cut yourself.
No. Just a trim, and then we're gonna go see the market, so buy some final gifts before the end of our trip.
It's a Maasai market.
Maasai market, yes, right. So see what we can find.
Maybe grab a big bag so we can put up close to the market.
As you saw, we just got some last final gifts for ourselves, for my mum. We got some proper Kericho gold tea. That's where I flew the drone over the tea, what do you call it? Like it's the tea farm?
Kericho?
Do you call it a tea farm or?
Yeah, Kericho tea.
Like a tea plantation,
Yeah.
that's the word I'm looking for. We bought the tea from Kericho, the Kericho Gold. We bought some Java coffee, and we also bought the Dorman's coffee, which is finely ground. And I'm going to put that in. I've got like a cafe cheddar, and I'm going to cook that at home and have beautiful coffee. So that's all the proper stuff that you get from here. The tea, the coffee, and yeah, the total price for all that tea and coffee was 2,354 Kenyan shillings. So about 30 bucks. So that's pretty good. We've got quite a bit of stuff and lots of different flavoured teas as well. So now we're off to get a haircut. Shave it all off.
It was all control. Yeah. The way. Now look at all of us.
Yep, I got a new haircut. It's all gone. Bald. There you go. And even got the fade. That's it. It's not growing back. This guy. Looking good?
Yeah.
Huh?
Feel like home, mate.
Yeah? All pampered?
Yeah.
They are shooting celebrity undercover.
This guy.
Thanks to Kaitani.
So we're off to the Maasai market.
Art and crafts as well.
Yeah.
So it's quite a variety.
It's a
over there.
rotating market, huh?
It is a rotating, yeah. So yesterday it was close to our house, just a junction, and then today is at the village market, close to two rivers where we were yesterday as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the good thing with that place is that you can get a large variety, and because all of them are there, compared to just going to a single continent.
Yeah, so it's just a rotating market. So we're going to do last final gifts before we head off, and then probably get something to eat, and then that's it for the evening, and then we fly off tomorrow morning. So yeah, we're just at Tim's friend's salon, Susan's salon, and now we're hanging out with Tim's other friend, Ringtone.
So then the song chorus is ready. Do your good, go your way.
Oh wow.
Okay. I have told him 3,000.
Yeah.
Then I click OK. I put my pin.
Yeah.
I click OK. That one.
That's paid.
Yeah. You see now sent already. New Rockwell service station 3,000. I click send. I click OK.
Paid.
Thank you for using M-Pesa services. Okay. Yeah, I'm done. I didn't have to carry money.
Wow.
You see now. Then the river says down here.
Oh yeah, they got the text
3,000
message.
paid.
Yeah.
So I'm done.
Wow.
But how would they know you actually paid? Because they won't
have
see
a
the
phone.
trans. Oh, they have a phone.
The message comes on my phone and their phone.
Oh wow.
So with the M-Pesa, it's just
Or if
cashless.
If that's not the case,
That's how we just paid for the fuel.
Show him this. I'll show him
The receipt.
the message.
Oh okay.
Yeah? Imeingia 3,000.
All paid. So
Okay, Alex.
cashless transfer, and then it's instant.
You see, he's saying that already the money is on their phone.
So there's heaps of things around here. There's paintings, there's necklaces, there's handcrafted things. there's an amazing array of stuff. What'd you get?
It's an African painting. You guys can see from my house.